inside that zone. Inside. Man, termite to your friend.
Something wrong.
You not take up your money, you know? Oh, the man then I take so long for dead, man. Play it up, yeah.
Hold on then.
COVID. Upstairs COVID there. Oh, that's what this is used for. Oh, interesting. Where you go? Ross. Never know say you could have lost that long, you know. Look for my gun. Never know say you could have lost that long, you know, something there.
I figure
Watch him a
what now work.
revive.
Yo, what on, bro? I try to figure out why there's something now work. Mm.
See the guy there. He was in the smoke with you. Yeah. They were doing the same thing you were doing. Miss said, wait, y'all need to tell me what to change to watch the footprints. Mm-hmm. Me say when me see the car blow up with Shay next to it. Why? Then so when you left my girl in the car and you never even said nothing. Thanks for the cheers. You're not? Sure. Mr. Scoreboard 3. Damn, that was good. Wanna tell me which something that we equip for have the running man. For no, not the running man, the footprints. I don't know what that is. The one that watches footprints. I have combat perk, high alerts. Oh, tracker. Oh, t- t-
Where's I realize? So Mickey,
yeah, tracker.
when you use a USB video in a one thing, you can't use the next thing down.
Tracker. Oh, so what should I change the sleight of hand to? Spotter? Hmm? Change to double. Okay. To what? I don't even think it wants to change. Oh, there you go. I want spotter. Oh, this make me spot enemy through wall. Alright, this is good now. Load out. No, I don't want to
Something
spot
not bro.
equipment through the wall.
No, computer move shaky. I don't play this here.
Alright, we put on the mountaineer one.
I even think we have enough PS
Tracker.
play. I will have that.
Yeah, that's good. I think that is beneficial, hopefully. Tracker. Tracker. Yeah, there you go. to go try out this now. I'm in a true knife, so me go just me not use me tactical them, you know. Me not use tactical or lethal. I'm gonna try practicing the run here for use them. Alright. So my master to some aspect, but me not use me. Yeah, me have termites, I'm gonna have the stem. Right.
Okay, no, sir. On the PS5, I feel install about the game.
Let's just change that. I didn't get much feel of my loadout in that last game actually. I used it once, then I died. Oh god, I died. But it gonna feel good so far. Oh, the tactical stance.
Can't manage, you know.
Q and E. Yeah, this look good. Okay. How do I not put anything there? I don't even know. Oh, delete. Okay. How many I jump with that, you know? Never mind, me can't jump. Yes. Alright, may I come now?
We find love again. Is this
Camping. Just one Melanie. Can I get to the little, eh? Nobody are even safe. Yeah, me, man, Nigel. Loadout looks safe, you know, guys. Loadout safe. Loadout is safe.
Yeah, I'll delay that.
Very safe.
I just realized now.
Loadout is very safe.
The capture card have a delay. So you know the capture cards have delay.
Yeah, they do. You have to get a great one.
Oh fuck.
No man, the scope can't go work for me. In a dark area.
It's a big delay. Oh, the delay are too big. Hold on, something wrong.
Oh, well. Never do that since nobody ever knows. Somebody at aim off of me. Stop bomber clad, damn pussy. The same man lay down on him belly under there, you know.
It's too much, bro.
Oh, so this is one you're not gonna help me at all, this yeah. Yeah. You don't hear me until it's a little safe all along. I've been saying little safe. Broken. One more over here, so don't die, guys. Don't die. That no bad. That no bad. That no bad. Benita, thank you so much. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
So I forgot buy Elgato.
Yeah, those are usually the better ones. Man, I run here, so. Oh, I'm broken enough. I'm broken enough. Oh gosh. Bro. Buy sale ended when I was literally not even alive. Get a free kill with all of the money. Money in there, so get a free kill. He's straight ahead. Or if you want to give me money for buy a gun. Resurgence ended. Who man did it so? One me pin though. Who man did it? Yeah. Be careful. Two man there over you. She. She there? She sassy the wheel. Go get us back. Yeah, she AFK. Oh God. Man, they were me there. Man is where I am at. Man in my midfield. Man is very much live and active where I am at. In broken. Boy. Boy. Oh jeez, run boy, run. Watch him that try to termite it too. Laser gun. Mom! Yeah man. I love my yeah man. GG's. Good night. Good night, guys. That never bad though. But me definitely a change this. It too. I don't know. Yeah, that's a wrap. That is a wrap. Good good night, guys. Sleep tight. See you tomorrow. No, no, sir. That's definitely a wrap. Good night. Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, da, da, da.
Okay. Yeah, try break this
Yeah,
little controller
yeah,
thing, yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
You know?
And that, like, and that. Baby, check on that.
That's an hour, bro. I'm controlling now. What's up? That's an hour, bro. I play some Call of Duty. Call of Duty. Don't know where the it's picking it up, so it's a problem. The inputs. What is the problem? Let's be. You're funny. On. When is this shit working, bro? Trying to use controller. What is the problem? My controller need to update or something? I hear one. Maybe I need to well, this working. I think I might need to restart the game. Not understanding why it's doing this. I need to restart. Oh, I saw what happened now. No, I don't run, bro. I'm getting it, bro. Another fight, bro. The tab come up, the inventory come up on the screen. I couldn't get it up. I don't know what going. Someone just stand up one place, and then the man shot me, and then the game just started. That kind of things. So that's time just come out. Come off, bro. Cause I do beer, I do all type of things. See, not even my controller connect now. It's alright. I restart. Shame, I go restart, yeah. I restart my game. Okay? This I run the place. No, dog. I shot one of them with them head top now. But no, I'm still alive. But me could have shot, me could have dropped one of them, bro. I just got the game. There's something freeze on my screen, bro. Hold on, my restart, my restart. Shay, you hear me? Yeah, it's easy, fam. Shay, I hear my restart my game. So, me know it's, oh, Krista, you leave me, oh my god. Liar. Lesbian. You call me a lesbian? What kind of lesbian talking this? Actually, I'm gonna show you how easy controller is. And I feel like say controller is some hard thing, bro. I'm gonna show you how easy. That's why I'm drop the controller now. Come here and say them man you can aim on the ground and kill me. That don't make sense. So me I level the ball field. Imagine me look on the kill cam and the man a shoot the ground and him kill me. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, that matter, that matter. But it's not because for some reason my controller now usually it just automatically pick up some. I guess I think I need to restart, bro. Or unless my PS5, I think probably my PS5 will interfere with it. I wonder if that's why. I turn off my PS5. Because my PS5 I interfere with it, bro. The connection. I could leave that to backside. I don't even know. Alright, lock off. No. All your bro run. In the online. I want going over this. Yo, it's like, geez, that man does know when I run match with something. Okay, now. Okay, now, over there, man, walk around there, bro. Step no forward back. But well, late swim still. And the man, they work still. Ah, see, at least me that way upon the blue light. See, the blue light come on. And the PS5 did that interfere. It's like the man doesn't know when me I play with Shay, bro. Yo, how can I over thing that you're around my youth? Come on. Shay, you have GPS, man. Carefully now. Come on, I dare pull up on my house and I say, who this? Next thing you know, I hear me on news, man. Like, yeah, but controller. Now I forgot in a MW3. I end up on a newspaper now. So I'm talk carefully now. Shit, man, now yeah, set me up now. I want to reach over. A long time never come over yet too, so that's why I'm surprised. Cartel now he's live man on him show. Okay now. Bro, live man have the energy, bro. Cartel need a band, bro. You can't go on live, big live show without a band. Alright, shit, I invite you. Before a certain man take you away. Alright, why does something not work now? It said press R3. R3. Let me ain't got all night. We're just getting started, girl. Talking about we ain't got all night. We just getting started. What you mean? What you mean? Why my L1 now work? Only R1? Okay now. Hold on. No, so you know what? Let me just test it out first, we're not in that foolishness. Well, test it out, shit. Shit, we can test it out. Shit, I'm not here. You talk if you talk, I'm not here. Test it out, bro. I have to test out the controller. And we not gonna make no excuse, bro. Make no excuse.
Why you not
Huh?
hesitate in multiplayer?
Yeah, I want to play this. I want to play this. I test out the controller. Yo, there, does I see a gift, bro? Respect for the that 55 roses, bro. I don't know my alerts them, I not hear nothing. As you can see. That's why I never see it, bro. Respect, bro. For the 55 roses. Can't get one of them to share, you know. Respect, bro. Mine, me make shit nobody play with you. Oh, so you are calling shots them. Ah!
Good morning, Torini.
That's good.
Alright,
Yes.
Squidnator.
Something set off in a set properly.
You can turn the F-Tac siege into the welcome.
A big picture there. See what going on, bro. I can't see again. When you for Alright, let's
Is everything good on your end?
why? Oh, check what else is so. Oh,
Hmm.
that's some aiming. Oh, what the let's see. That one on R2 I aim hold on. That's crazy. This has stressed me out, bro. It did just work the other day, so what the issue now? Hold on, actually, I got this. Let's just just give me 30
What
seconds.
happened? Your settings
Even know. Something alright though. I wonder if I dare about this something. I joke. There was sabotage the thing.
Mm.
Alright, let's try it one more time. If you know where, we just use most, yeah, man. Come on, can't bother there spell them. Gotta put a. She might know if he boy try nothing, cause me know I forget rid of him, you know. Hey boy, nah, why everybody a boy me up so bro? What the rest? Yo, enjoy this. After them I play GT and the man them
I'm
kill me.
actually
And the man them there
dying.
for, yeah boy, don't mess with me. I say, yo. Uh, Today is not my day, man. Forget. Let the day done still. She with her spider skin. I mean, so she gonna play good. I wonder if one of the settings them have like one of them thing edit button layout. What that do? L1 R1 L1 tactical equipment. Yeah. So what's the problem? Why is L1 zooming in? That more I know. I thought did I go on shit. L1 and R1 and L2 is that the same thing? She said, behave, bro. Yeah, take that. I think you run it. Yeah, for attack, you know.
What
Shit.
is this? Oh. Hmm?
24/7. Yeah, I can't aim down sights. Me don't use this then. I don't use this.
I'm not hearing it, so.
Can't aim down my sights for some reason.
I think there's less of them and more of us.
Nice.
There's like 3 of them.
Nice.
How's that nice? That's not nice.
It can't be nice to your enemies.
Mm.
Yeah, and run up them dead parts soon, that's right.
Is that about Joker, you know? That's weird.
Fuck, I need to even stop trying to kill me, bro. Accept it. If I accept it, bro.
I'm a little frost right now. I can't tell the enemy from our friends.
Oh?
Yeah.
How about going? Where enemy?
Hmm?
Where enemy? If you show your face, you're dead, boy.
Is everything good now?
No?
No?
Nope. L1 not aim down. I do something else.
What?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have 16 kills and the thing now work properly. Oh yeah, man, I use the alien gun when I hit. That's why. The thing is, I feel like controller.
Oh my gosh. What you say?
I feel like controller, you just have to get used to gaming. I suppose it's good still.
I don't know which one is easier. Quite frankly, I don't care.
You use mouse? Ever use mouse before in your life? Never.
No.
And boy, I probably wonder which gun that man use, bro.
Oh my gosh, bro.
I don't know why, bro. This is just weird. This never happened yet in my
Let me
life.
know if my mic's too loud.
You say your mic low.
I'm saying let me know if it's too loud. Like,
Oh, but I tell you already, man.
okay.
I guess me just like low things. That'd be bad.
Damn, Chris, throw that fucking shit away.
Why?
What the fuck are you using? Me shoot one man and me see him fly past my screen, like, be for real. Bye, Dave.
There we are, cut.
Yeah, he said he's leaving.
Yeah, I didn't say that no, we just started. Why did you say that?
Nah, be for real, bro.
We have
It was
feedback-
like 3
we have
guys,
feedback
I'm
for them?
shooting at them, and then you show up and they're flying. Like, be for real.
I want to say that triple kill we get that one time now. Yeah, they're gonna possess. Probably that's why I'm have 39 kills.
Yeah.
That makes
The man reports your backside.
sense. For real, you know say well you say him report me him say me a hack. Come me beat one of them game and the man say yo man say me a hack bro. Man tell say me a hack bro.
Oh my gosh.
That's a one shot gun bro.
Bombard? I'm losing my shit.
I'm upset though, cause the controller now work how it's supposed to work.
So you don't want 1v1?
You want 1v1 me?
No, I'm scared, bro.
Oh, don't be scared. Where's that going to controller now?
I'm actually terrified.
Well,
I know I sound sarcastic, but I'm not. Because I don't want V1.
no, but this is said there be married, so it's supposed to be. Alright, me use sniper only. Or is that not a good thing?
What is that?
I'll use sniper only, or is that not a good thing?
I don't know. I don't usually 1v1 you if you tell me. Yeah, the 1v1 boss.
No, the thing is I don't know if you have a... Because some people have PTSD against snipers. That's how, you know? One time when you team did stop playing the game because they kill him with a sniper or something like that. It a work, but here we know. The L1 and R1 I do the same thing. No, they're not supposed to do the same thing. No, when I tactical
What?
also. Yeah, so I can't throw my flash grenade.
Change your settings.
Oh.
Bombard?
It said me say L1 and already set to tactical, so why is L1 do that? Like, what's the issue? Is it that my controller is malfunctioning? You think so?
Why you not go back to your mouse and keyboard? Why you on controller?
Because in life, become a system and have an advantage. I'm more tech. Alright, I'm gonna plug in my wide controller. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Duffy. Let's see what happens. Same thing. That means I'm settings for real. That's something I'm settings. Something I'm settings for real shit. Yeah, no, it's something I'm setting for you. Come in know help.
To be honest, I am not capturing any hard points. I'm just killing.
Bro, it's hard for snipe without that scope, without controller still. No, what? Give up, man. I give up with this controller shit, bro. It's a sign. It must be a sign. Stick to PC, boy. I mean, mouse. Alright, give me a take two. I'm gonna go back to my OP gun. Nobody ball for them now.
No. I see why the man them I use that shotgun here. Like,
How come I use this? They probably think you can compete with me. But then I know some my gun dangerous. I 7 people I'm killing everywhere I'm gonna hold on there. I'm gonna have funny or free. Can you imagine if this is then now Black Ops 6? When I get play the game every time. Why am I going melee? A while ago. This man have a yeah, then the Phantom Eagle does 14 when parents build a very strange machine. I couldn't even see them. So the only thing, alright, so the only thing not working, functioning properly is my L1. And it's not the controller, cause I just change the controller. The L1 and L2 are do the same thing. That's the problem. What are you there like in my try catch up in first place? You see my try catch up in first place, shit.
yeah.
I should come there test out the sniper now. I'm supposed to come first, bro. What do you mean I'm supposed to come first?
What? Is the damage in this different or something?
Well, when I've played set, I think it must be different. Must be different shit. The two of them run up like that, bro. Oh, look what skills, man. I'm gonna leave it.
GG.
Shit, I'm making them for fuck's sake. Yeah, shit.
Bumble. Who that?
73 kills. I'm in there,
Nah, this guy's hacking, bro.
Yo. Come on, shit, let's play. You know, so when we play, we win. Alright. I'm gonna just take off the controller, because obviously. What you want to play? Warzone? Alright, let's go.
Doesn't matter.
Really? Interesting.
Yeah.
Well, man, for sure, this is my Warzone player. Always I'm there, do that, I just receive that work. Come on, want to use it in a Warzone, but if I can't throw a tactical grenade, then it makes sense. If I can't throw,
Yeah.
if I can't use a stim, you know, what's the point, man?
I feel you.
They revere that.
Oh my gosh.
You might get a 4 talk.
I'm gonna tell, bro.
Yeah, tell him. Tell him, man. You must not want to play with me again, like that. Yo, it's funny, man.
You said a long time you not pop over here.
Yeah, it's like you're spawning, man. You're spawning, man. I go still. It's like, man, no, it's like a chucker, but chucker.
La de vino.
I say, oh, that really a going, pan? What a going? That a going, pan? What a going? I cook some pudding. You want pudding? Mm. I'm not there now. I say if you want pudding. I respect you for the chop rice. Fuck. Guess what? Shit. But this not work, bro. This time we need some diamonds. Everybody need diamonds. Yo, shit, you hear me?
Yeah? What's up?
Nah, hear there's something there. Why when the man on top, man, not hear him? Damn, all this.
You wanna hear him talk?
No, you okay? You know? Yeah, man.
Just asking.
No, sometimes I learn me.
Graveyard?
Yeah. You go Sunday, buddy. Oh my gosh, it feels so weird using the mouse now. Guess what's in my loadout?
Not a thing.
No, you're not getting the gun. The gun I'm just use.
Oh my gosh, bro.
I'm just get it. Just get it. Look, wait there. Wait there.
I hate that fucking gun.
You know what it? You ever tried before?
I hate it. Yeah, me try it in the 1v1 what would you do? The free for all.
No, but you never tried the
Freaking hate
conversion.
it.
This is the conversion. I take a save you, so you go on.
Alright, but
Right, it can take off 3 plates by the way. One time. And then the next one can just drop them.
lock in and stop ramping my badness.
What is it about Keisha?
Same so.
Hostile mosquito is online.
Same so.
See if there's a way we can see the Twitch chat without not the Twitch chat, the that thing there. Here boy, are you that?
Ya lo viste, ¿no?
Hmm?
Oh boy, there with me there. But that's really, are you that?
I'm upstairs.
Okay.
I'll treat them a fight over here, so on my mark.
Let's go. But, oh, them that far.
How much for loading again?
It was. With the money.
Here's bomb drone.
Oh, some boy, huh?
We're down somebody over here, so. Same place some ping. Buy station, buy station.
Some
This
boy.
one, this one, this one. Oh my god.
Oh shit, you must shoot away, must see me.
Gas is moving. Enemies dropping into the AO.
Oh my god. Chris, mega fight you.
Oh, but they dip on you tell but you run.
No, you weren't. I saw you.
No, I next seat there.
Mm-hmm.
Squad mates redeploying. Well done.
Mm-hmm.
But this man is hiding.
Head to the safe zone.
I don't want to hear it.
I'm gonna see me.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Look at the mud fully and the man say, ooh. Run now.
A la verga.
Target down. Marking the rest of them.
See that?
Remaining operators in that squad. Hunt them down. You got a load
My
of
head
Come on, run your fuck.
pincher.
See me, let's drop two now.
Nah, pinches.
That's nice.
With the gun you hit.
That's nice.
Let's drop our next one. Oh, too much of them, see? Yeah, drop him, my friend. If you kill him, them wipe out.
I'm dead.
Time for vengeance.
You dead?
Redeploying.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Attack map to hunt down the rest of them.
Oh, it's a different squad then.
Friendly mosquito deployed.
What's the that?
Hostiles destroy the mosquito.
Yo, they're gonna OP shit. OP.
Bounty contact. Got intel on a new target.
See, I eat alone and make me a drop people right now. Yo, me need
Alright,
it.
so watch bounty here.
I'll tell you about that gun and shit. I'll check that out.
Yeah.
How much you have? Come. Oh, yeah, you don't know money.
Not enough.
Fire station inbound.
I know why I'm gonna drop that. Right, that's it.
Hostile counter UAV overhead.
Bounty there above in us. I'm gonna push. Go on, guy.
Ready.
Shotgun alone, man. I'm here with you.
Man, grab up all of the plates and everything.
Come. See, I gave you all my plates.
You better. You better.
What?
You better. Can I hear me? Where's the part where you go down? Or is this? This is the extreme bottom. I'm here.
Enemy lost track.
You're stupid.
Yo! Yo!
For another bounty.
Yo, I have enough. We have enough for loading. Let's buy loading
Yeah,
instead of going
I
to
got
that
the
one.
buy station right here, so
Keep up the good work.
all me.
Buy it. I got grab on UAV.
All me.
I popped it.
Your way.
Oh, you get that right.
Oh my, watch them dirty boy. You don't say a bash come by. 2 for 1.
You know, I get the loadout. Boy, they enough on me. I'm dead loadout.
Yep.
Can't see him. I'm blind. Don't die.
Resurging. Go get your revenge.
Come back for them.
Get to the safe zone. Be advised, enemies deployed a buy station.
No, even hit him. One. See there. Nice. I'm going with the charge up on it, missile.
You know, figure you, but
No.
you charge up. Yeah. But you charge up gun. That for you, true. But you charge up gun. Let me take this for. I didn't even get loaded, to be honest.
You never get it?
Mm-mm.
There. Right this
Windows closed.
Where they want me
Back
this?
to standard procedure.
No, that gun there up here, so. Two gun. Upstairs.
That's it. What you give me my gun?
Active. Buy station prices.
Oh, hell no. Where may I get your gun from?
Contracts out there have increased
Mobile.
payouts. Get to them first to
What's that? Let me see. 5. Yo, drop cash. Somebody's close by.
Here.
Here. By
They want
Lodi, if you want, or UAV or something.
I'm by UAV too. I'm can't find. Alright, let's just say. Oh shit.
Friendly
fuck
loadout
it up.
drops on the way.
Say, wait, drop. Bombard.
Up top.
You can get it right, so.
Resurgence is about to end. Make it count. You've got 10 squads active in the field.
You buy a gas mask?
Buy whatever you need. Man, on my mark.
Yeah. My email for.
Watch yourself. Watch yourself. Come.
Yes, sir?
Your squad made it to the safe zone.
No plate now.
I have here.
Fire sales over.
Mm.
Adjusting prices.
More. Here you go, if you played.
Food. Take one, yeah? I want it.
You see what in there?
Yeah, well, I
Enemy
so.
buy station deployed.
Yeah, but hear them.
Put them there up top.
Got to win this now. Where's the one I go?
They're on our roof.
Oh,
Has closed.
Jamon.
Second chances.
Mi guys.
Get there and them man, I go.
Supply crates are restocked.
Que
Advise
yo
you
andaba
load up
buscando
now.
entonces.
Oh, go over there.
Esos son los ahí.
Very.
Very word.
It's up to you, you know, you're the boss.
Come. Oh, no, I aim my phone.
Just watch your head.
EAO.
You see?
Head top, head top, head top, head top.
Station
Yeah,
incoming.
come here. Come here, so I'm there.
Come here, man. Come.
Let's watch them have shoot run over there, so. Up on the roof.
Very tough, huh?
You hear them shot that shit?
It's fake shot, watch out. They might try to lower you. Watch out, they're on the roof. They
Shit,
can
come
see
here,
you.
Shit, come here.
Gas is closing in.
You know, I not understand. Oh,
You see the circle, right?
where
Made it
did
to the
that?
top 10.
Them a camp down this one. Go, yeah, man. Imagine we jump down the ladder. I'm an HP reach 10. You got this, you got this. Buy station there at the set point left. Let me know if you risk it. Yeah, them all choke. How much are they?
Hey, yo, ¿cómo está?
¿Tiene placa? ¿No tiene placa?
Five squads still operational in the AO.
Mm. God.
Nice try. We got it. Don't worry. Fuck, I messed up. I hate this map sometimes. I don't even know where the freaking does get shot from, bro. What? I'm not saying money that camp doing this one. That was so weird, man. This is man camping, bro.
You want a lick. Yeah, push camper.
I shot him on, you know. Charge up. Hey, Red Bull. Girl, you're so fine. You're my heart, baby. Yo, respect for this, the follow Ebony Thomas. Respect for the follow. W Ebony's in the chat. Ebony's. Why did I say Ebony's? My bad. Where's my phone though? You know that in life, this person is very
Use this time for some target practice. Real things coming soon.
Shea Bear has liked the stream. Thank you, Shea Bear.
Enemies dropping into the AO. All stations, this is Shadow 01. Deployment to the war zone has been authorized.
Shay, you ready for win? Am I up this now? No, boy.
Resurgence. Surviving your team can redeploy.
Oh, my plug so dark.
Targets to bring them back faster.
I get COVID it up.
Objectives marked on your attack map. Alright, we got you started.
Shay, you want to see me actually play the game? I'm not here if you talk about it.
What is that?
You want to see me actually play the game?
What game? What are you talking about?
Oh, that's true. What game?
I can't hear
I
you.
hear load out this. How kind of pink gun this?
No?
Oh yeah, hear me now.
Yeah. That was just, you know, I've been asking him.
What? Look what I'm going here now. Air gun this?
That's ugly.
This is yours.
No. How can that be my
This
gun?
is purple.
No.
Was that sexist?
Here's a loadout box.
Huh? Oh.
Loadout box.
Oh my God! Look who it is. What? You hear that? That's the sound of the police.
I make sure I say charge up.
Yeah, make sure I say charge. Boy there? Mosquito there over there.
You
So.
telling me or you asking? Oh,
Mosquito there over there, so careful. The fly nice guy.
man, they're below way.
Yo, go back to the right there. Mosquito there.
They're in our building, I think.
Nice. I'll go for them then. Everybody here on peso dead.
Enemy buy station deployed.
come through here, so. Just.
I just saw somebody.
25 remaining.
Must get us still there over there, so. I mean, say them in there, so. Yep. See that? You see that? Don't play with my gun. Don't play with my gun. Tell me I share COVID.
Mm-hmm.
Just like that. They're dead there, Reno. How's the squad right? Come here, boy.
They're on prison roof.
Oh, I'm gonna try to shoot from the root over there, so.
All squad members are in the safe zone.
I'm gonna go back over there, so I'm gonna camp over there.
Hostile UAV in the area.
You ready?
Mm-hmm. Charge up.
Enemies deploy the counter UAV.
Yeah, right.
You're on the roof.
Enemy UAV active.
Oh. Oh no.
You got a loadout drop.
Oh no. Friend there, that's all. Oh. I see the one that creep. Just give one a charge shot. I know him mad, you know. Where my friend there over there, so?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Bounty.
Yeah.
Go on link him. Go on link him. Ping him.
Locate and eliminate the target. High-value contracts are in play. More risk, more reward.
Ready?
Push. Push.
Yeah, man, push to me. Nice.
Finish more. Finish. In front, come back.
Oh, right there.
Roof. Roof. Somebody up on the roof here, so.
Wow. I'm jumping. You see that one? Drop him.
Placas.
Atrás, 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 atrás.
On me.
Uy,
On
¿de
me.
dónde?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Shoot up there.
On you, on next to you.
Oh.
Ah, I guess that's left here, so.
You did.
No,
I had to jump off.
I'm up there on the roof.
Culo con este puerto.
I'm gonna see.
Llego por mi cosa, tu frente. Llego por
Mm.
Oh my god.
Batido. Batido.
What is that? Your profile was signed out? The hell is this? Call of Duty, man. Call of Duty, Call of Duty, Call of Duty. Call of Duty. Call of Duty. It says my profile was signed out, but it's a bug. Call of Duty. I load him back in though. Call of Duty. Oh, ass. Bro, you're still in the game, right? Go die, please. We'll have to kill them noobs then. Don't die, please. Please don't die, COVID, don't die. Please don't die. Like, man, go back for them Spanish boy, you know, and then where's that come gun? True, because that's why I'm drop again now. The termite, something that kill me. That would be in there.
Need a fire mission. Target marked.
Special orders rescinded. Resume normal operations.
Oh, she dead. No.
Marking con.
No, bro. You know that shotgun alone made me get 4 kills to be honest. I don't know what's going on, bro. You hear me? A duo. Then bring back Ranked, you know there's something? Rank the boat again?
No, not yet.
Why?
You mean BO? You mean in BO6?
No. This.
In this? No, I now come back into this.
Why?
It's BO6 going in.
There's going to be a
There will
Warzone 3?
be more to this, I think.
Wait, there's a
Soon.
Warzone 3?
Coming the 14th, yes, to BO6.
Tomorrow?
When is the 14th? Whenever
Tomorrow.
is the 14th, yeah.
Of this
Yeah.
month?
Yes.
Say I go play. I don't know. We could play BO6 now.
We can if you want, it's up to you.
Yeah, we not play. I don't know. We play. Uh, we need to prepare. Don't we need to prepare for tomorrow? Don't forget used to it because the same gun them done. I switch over to BO6, yeah? Girl, it's alright. I'm in your life, baby. Don't kill me, why? You are my life, baby. Girl, it's alright. It's gonna turn.
My money, ha ha. My money, ha ha. Yo, Kristen. My money, ha ha. My money, ha ha. My money, ha ha.
Hold on. Well, every time I keep saying my profile has been signed out. Question mark. It's loading back. It's loading back. I'm here. I'm in the game. I'm in the game. Apparently, my Steam Did bug out, but me there. Join me. Oh, let me click multiplayer. Alright. Over 20. I can't invite you. I can't invite you. Okay, there we go. TikTok now show the game down. Let me fix that. Get that? Over there, hear me?
Mhm.
Okay. Oh yeah, oh, they actually sound better in this. What the hell? Let's go kill some fools. Let's see who can get play of the game. Me or you. That's the aim. Okay?
Play it again.
Yeah, play of the game. Play of the bomb.
Never heard of it.
What? Talk. Let me hear something. Oh my god.
Deathmatch for sure.
Yeah, play the game.
I have no idea what.
Don't worry. Yeah, so because you said that the Monday I go work. I no, because I say, yeah. That's that going. When I say, yeah. I feel me. Girl, it's alright. Alright, you know me. Go a little bit.
Team deathmatch.
Yeah, about
Destroy
now,
the enemy.
play off the game. I'm trying to get a camo for this gun.
Oh,
Mm-mm.
I would've.
Sniper.
Talking sticky.
Right down.
Look at that, I'm not even to see him.
Enemy marksman shooting.
Shit, it's not working.
Oh, my Alexa, bro. Alexa, bro. What is this glass?
Lagging?
I like FPS. I don't know why.
Enemy marksman shooting. Sniper, hug dirt.
No, I hate when
Oh, there's
people
somebody.
camp in multiplayer, bro. Like, what's the point?
Oh, them boy.
Heads down. Sniper.
Oh, man, you can go away, man. Like, I'm just there to end up cheering you out, so.
What?
Enemy UAV inbound.
I'm never fix it. Flips and all kind of bullshit.
Sniper, hug dirt.
Oh, that you there? Why you jump off everyone and shot him in the midair? Dirty boy.
Do that again. I fucking dare you. I give what I get. Tango in my sights.
Get what down of this. Oh, that never kill him.
Enemy trophy system disrupted.
Tracking hostile.
Do that again.
Behind? I'll be a sniper. Not going to even see me get shot.
What sense are you using?
95. Oh!
Bion
Sorry,
requesting
someone's
UAV
And
tasking.
5?
Oh, someone's not too. Sorry. Oh, man. I just
Ice
forgot my
the
first game,
sharpshooter.
man. So,
Who the fuck taught you weapon safety, soldier?
what? You don't want to see what just happened.
Nope.
Hostile UAV established overhead.
Side. Go ahead. I dare
Guy
you.
sniping on the left side.
Yeah. Let's run from it. Next to go my headshot.
5 of them.
Damn, he's still.
Still at you? Can we get him?
Marksman smoked.
There's a guy sniping on the right side, too.
Enemy marksman shooting.
Where is he shooting from? I wanna with him money 5 times.
Shot to the room.
only come in.
I'm looking at the left side, that's nice.
Yeah. Oh, right as I said that to shoot me.
Blast trap out.
Yeah.
Enemy UAV inbound. Hostile counter UAV established above.
Pause requesting UAV tasking.
Backup's not coming. You want to get out of this alive? Better step up. Nice. We're pulling ahead.
Bunch of them pushing on the left.
RCX deactivating.
Perfect
Yeah, I'm gonna get
execution.
it.
The is probably pissing
Had it
themselves
in the
right now.
bag. Move out.
That's close, don't. 198.
Oi, that was too fucking close.
Can I go next?
Even on
It's my fucking day.
what the hell?
Target ID. That's 5 kills.
Where's something I go? This way is that? This way is something.
I'm not hearing you, I don't know why.
You not hear me? Oh, microphone one turn up there. Probably me for turn it up in that game. I turn it up.
Probably me.
No, I'm turn it up. I'm turn it up. Let me catch up your rank there. Where you go, so now?
Voice chat at 6.
No, man, Mike probably turn it off for real. Alright, that 100. Girls, Mike, the 100. Yo? Yo? Yeah, Mike, good. Ugh. I'm gonna set the voice channel to party only, yeah? Yeah.
What?
Alright, you want... No, true comment, I don't know if you
What do you want
want
me to make? Do what you do.
What? Yeah, hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, but that's test the COVID 35. Yeah, that's fun. What the fuck said this? What shit? Yeah, love.
Team deathmatch. Destroy the enemy. The lead is ours.
And then my move so strong already. Just load up, you know.
I see. I don't think we have to spread the COVID yet.
I shoot up to somebody and then left the game.
Nice.
Throwing Sendex.
Infect them.
Bad guy, 12 block.
We've given up the lead.
You know, it's so hard to get headshot kills with this damn gun.
But they're trying to...
We're winning. Keep it that way. You're falling
I
behind,
shot
Crimson.
him. I shot him and I don't understand. Like, this is blasphemy.
What are you talking
Hostile spotted.
Show yourself.
Got their marksman. Let's push.
That shotgun that the man I jump on it with, bro.
Oh, what that the man have?
Long gun
Oh my
spread.
gosh, bro.
Watch your fire. Duck, long gun.
Oh my gosh. I
My
know,
camping
I
that-
don't know what happened.
Yo,
Kills, there's your ball.
no way. I'm at 5 kills. I'm gonna play the game. I'm gonna get 6 kills now.
Sniper working.
Snipers on the right. Left too.
Sniper working.
Okay.
We've gained the advantage. Now hold it.
Yo, look how that kill that woman get. I'm a teammate, my kill. No, so that possible.
A hard point this?
I don't know, new tone
Remember hard
24/7.
point.
I don't know which game.
Not hard point. Can you say you kill a teammate?
Yeah,
Like what?
Hostiles reclaimed the lead.
that's it, sir. Come on, pass like the last trap one did put on. I know I could have killed him. Yo, why that sniper you there, right? This, bro. See, boy. Oh, the man spawned right behind me. Yeah. Too much sniper there, boat.
Hostile UAV established overhead.
You realize?
Mm-hmm. Annoying as shit.
Yo, 3 man in the house now. What the frick? I play one different mobile after this. Can't do this.
Bombat?
Bunny up.
Me not forget none of that. All of that's for you. And me getting you that.
Sometimes when you take it from me, it's nice. Wait, that's not alright. No! I almost no scope that.
Man, them set up trophy system. That's actually crazy. Sniper on the left.
Think real carefully about your next move.
Got him. Cool.
Clear. Sniper is down.
That was good. If you never, the man use a tactical shot. That's why I never get to play the game. Nice job, kid.
Oh, sweet. I focus on getting the headshot kills.
Indeed, again, we had this youth, like, we have a beef. Every time we kill each other, we do this crouch something.
Your tactics aren't working. Find another way.
Man, what you call it? T-bug? King legs. Fuck, man, I messed that up, bro. I was right behind him. I had the opportunity to kill all of them.
Enemy dropped.
Damn it, Crimson, that's not good enough.
Let's try. At least we'll come first. That's good. That's
Clean yourselves up.
so we'll give you something. Like they always there at BMs. Respect that. That's supportive. Very supportive.
Ice the sharpshooter.
Look on the scope on the man up on the damn sniper. Yes, it is. I me tell you, I even get it. Me tell you, ball out say, oh, I'm killed 5 away. I even that talk.
The man even not shoot the fence. Like, be real.
It's your boy. Yo, that character is such a troll. They could have made some. They can make some better character.
That man said they're ugly.
Yo,
But
I
I
like
think,
1986 game file them upload. Fuck's sake.
I think some Rebirth Warzone 2 characters coming over. Let me hear.
2? Oh, you mean
Not
like the
2.
character then when I got me out?
Yeah.
What is?
All the character them where you buy, I think.
You like when
Not
you
100%
go
sure.
for something wild. How many did say I play it one time? I think Jada King on that play it one time. When I say them have them game mode, you know, like everybody in a one house, one.
Oh yeah, you know somebody look for that map there, me can't find it.
That's why you have people like me. So when you play with me now, you
Oh
find
my
out
gosh.
things. You need me. Just admit it. Achievement unlocked. The pale horse arrives. Oh well. Hey, stop talking. Don't even hanging, bro. Okay then. Enter Prestige 7. Forget them thing, yeah? What? What's the highest Prestige? 10? You're not Prestige? COVID, you're not Prestige? Hello? She's not here, man. COVID, you hear me?
Face off team deathmatch. You know what
And our
Langley
prestige.
expects. Get it done. We've
What?
taken the lead. Stay on target.
Prestige, you're not Prestige.
Oh no.
No, how that not kill him, bro?
No, I don't.
See, shotgun are the most OP shit that is, to be honest.
We're winning. Keep it that way.
Damn, how do you move in this house, bro?
You just run and do look for.
Duck, long gun. Facing Proxilor.
We claimed the advantage. Now hold it.
Okay, one more to kill yourself.
Move up.
That
Long
guy's
gun
still
frag.
in that
Drop it.
room, bro.
Sniper working. Duck, long gun. Clear. Sniper is down. I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. Once. Put in our IO.
Damn.
They've taken the lead.
Man, I hiding in the kitchen sink.
Got
There's a man camping in the bathroom.
The lead is ours.
There's no way this is real, bro. How them find everywhere for camp?
Look at somebody hiding all like a doorway.
anytime,
That
any.
mini
Move up.
doorway
Long
or
gun
something.
frag.
Real, bro.
Sniper working.
Clear. Sniper is down.
Yeah, it's so hard to move in here, bro.
5.
Oh, but
Enemy kill.
like, go get used to the house, there.
That name Mary Brown house. Sniper
working.
Mary Brown house.
Mary Brown.
Yeah, she won it. Yo, the motor sniper in the kitchen sink there, so. Disgusting.
Enemy inside.
You're falling behind, Crimson.
Probably need to go on this map a little more.
Yeah, level up quick. the youth in the kitchen down.
Man, don't move.
What goes around?
Oh, this is the bathroom when I'm always camping up. Okay.
Scrambler or nine?
Oh, first I play this one too.
No, I never inside the bathroom right there, so them always at camp. Cause sometimes I get shot, but I never inside that bathroom there. Not the first. Probably the fifth.
Target appears hostile. Stay down.
Eyes on enemy.
Are you having hostage?
Yeah.
See over in the kitchen and pull out the boy here.
So Wayne did it so.
Well, well, well.
We've taken the lead. Stay on task.
That for Julio.
Yeah man, the whole of them in the kitchen me a snipe.
Pick of your ass.
Tango on the move.
Sniper's dead. Come out now.
Someone's got to start the
Net
party.
call. Sleeper agent detected.
I would just shoot one dead body.
Got a runner.
Are you him just snipe?
I don't know if me get sniped or if it's the one that slide. Oh no, I don't know.
How would you know? And that song. You ever watch Ella Enchanted?
Some of them man are just a grind camo, you know? Like,
Yeah.
gosh, bro.
Clear. Sniper is down.
Time's nearly up. Close it down.
I need to play the game.
Watch it. Sniper.
There's no way this man knows I was crawling through the vent. I'm a little hack.
Got their marksman. Let's push.
You made it look easy, Crimson.
Alright. That was a
Hell
struggle
of a
for
show,
me.
people. Hell of a show.
Yourself, you come not last.
My settings.
Yeah, of course, it's a shotgun one.
My settings allow me to slide too.
Look at this shotgun.
Sniper eliminated.
You see what,
I've been over.
you see what that shotgun they open you? You can just spam it.
Man,
Let's see. I'm gonna set up my shotgun. Cause my shotgun was good to know. I set up my shotgun real quick. Yeah, have them boy add this to it.
develop your sniper already?
I'm supposed to, but I'm not even. You know, say default class mouse I use. This sniper. You know?
As in... level yet?
Okay, what level I'm reach? Hold on. What is? I need to set up my class. I'm gonna my class. I don't have a class. I have a default chip I use. So, I have an AK class, which I never use. But I'm going to do a shotgun class. I'm going to level 25. But the ASG look dangerous.
I don't know nothing about the gun.
I'm best believe me now no man's from the shotgun, you know. Hold on there. So for the optic, I might add this. What is this? Shit, I'm not unlock it yet. I'm not optic right now. Just need to aim. Muzzle. Barrel. What? I know I'm not gonna get the damage on the barrel. You know it's crazy how you can add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 attachments to the gun. Isn't that crazy to you?
Yep. So much now.
The light stuck.
I even hear that they're
Hmm? Yeah. COVID. You know, say
what?
you can add rapid fire upon the shotgun. Yo, wait till my yo, man, level up that shotgun, yeah. Unlocks at 26. Oh, me does need one more steakhouse. I don't suppose you can. I don't know which optic to put. Let's try this. You said the gunfighter wildcard must be equipped to add 1 5 attachments. Would you like to move your current wildcard? Yes. I'm not even know some have a wildcard or whatever.
Give me a second. Start when you're ready.
Face-off kill confirmed.
Hostile marksman in our AO. Sniper threat neutralized.
The lead is ours.
Wasted. 5 enemies slotted.
Why is there a ping thing on my gun? Copy, wait there. Copy that again. There's no way this man I run over with a knife and just a knife people, bro. Bro, what the freak is this, bro?
Splash.
Get low. I gotta turn on your head something.
Hold on. You hearing me now?
Yeah. Yeah, I can hear you.
First.
Clear. Sniper is down.
You got a sniper.
Difference between you and me, I learned from my mistakes. Watch your fire. Sniper working.
Why do I have an RPG in my loadout?
You thought this was over? Duck, long gun.
Bro, they see this man with the knife? It's pissing me off.
Bum bum.
Target appears hostile. Dead and gone.
I'm gonna reload my ever take up people gun. Dude
Yeah, he's
with
on.
the knife is annoying.
Alright.
Tango front.
You know what? He must be trying to piss off people, bro.
Got bro with a handgun.
I'll come with the knife. Knife man, I'll come here. Let's get ready. Yeah, man.
You didn't think I was done, did you? That's a kill.
Knife man, I'll come in like this.
Shit.
Heads down. Sniper working.
Front clear.
Easy. Using stim shot.
Don't ask me what I just did. I might have killed myself. Bro, knife man is here. Knife man, knife man.
Sharpshooters ready for move.
You're supposed to
Got
be
their
the CIA
marksman. Let's
vet.
push.
Act like it.
Keep on a switch my gun then.
Think real carefully
Driving
about
me
your next
crazy.
move.
Spawn switch. Oh no.
Five down.
There's no way this man look for me with an RPG. Yeah man, come the knife man, come now.
Yep. He got me too. Same RPG
Freaking
guy.
knife, yo. You mean RPG
Land
guy?
it, please.
Yeah, that's it.
Our boys were shit. Someone get us the hell out of here.
Give me a phone. Cause why the man have a knife? Kill everybody.
Watcha?
Sniper removed.
What the frick?
No.
No. There's no way the whole of them lined up for him.
That's 5 kills.
In my hack.
Yeah, I report him. God damn.
Yeah.
come on. Got no
Then-
people like the man kill away, go still. You cheating? I don't cheat, DB gaming. DB gaming to me, I cheat. Not a cheater, man. David, Brooks. Oh, you not have something there? I not have Black Ops, bro. If I join with, bro. Yo, Brooks, yo, that's it. You should have seen me use that. When I use the gun there when I hit. We use it in that one lobby there. At 73 kills, me get you know. I'm gonna tell you, say, a controller I use, cause I try to fix the controller, and I still get 73 kills. You tell me now. That gun there, madness here. That gun there is a mad man gun. That gun there is a mad man gun. I mean, I see there, I run it off. Shame, like the food you're cooking, you know. You can cook and thing, you know. I bet man, I just jump off line, you know. Ah, what did that show me, bro? See.
Face off domination.
See, you hear me?
Secure the objective.
Can I hear me?
What am on there?
Controlling Bravo.
I'm forget that. But it's serious, I can hear me.
Marksman smoke.
Bravo zone secure. Losing B. Losing Bravo.
Oh, frigga! I 2 times shot the man.
Securing B.
Level 8.
Taking Alpha.
It's a shit. Oh, it's something I call name. Movado.
Who?
Movado.
Sniper down.
Movado. What the fuck?
Just a shit.
Taking Bravo underway.
Bro, I can't see. Yo, that smoke cat is dumb. Like,
Yeah, joke
Take it, B.
Movado. Keep taking up people's guns, bro. It's striking.
Securing Charlie. Securing Alpha.
Taking this objective.
Taking C. Securing Zone A. Locking down Charlie.
Oh my bad.
Taking A.
get a teammate.
Taking Bravo underway. Zone C secure.
Taking objective.
Taking Alpha.
Oh, the mine, the spring mine right there, son, he never did that before. 75 kills? Can't get that right now.
Securing
I'll
Alpha.
wait till I understand that game.
Securing Zone
Objective
A.
capture in progress.
Bro,
Losing
every
B.
time I reload.
Ice the sharpshooter.
Taking A.
Annoying.
Taking Alpha.
No. Come on, beat him with the butt.
Securing Alpha. Securing Zone A.
No, dead.
Location
Don't worry,
secure.
COVID. I'm here to
Maintain
save you.
current posture.
Don't worry,
Losing
girl.
Bravo.
I got you, bro.
Damn.
Hey,
Can't move because the person are camping at the bathroom and then spawning at the bathroom. You tell me no.
We're losing Alpha.
Imagine my spawn where you camp
My
on
aim
camp.
assist,
They say aim assist now, right?
bro.
Losing A.
That's sticky.
Marksman smoked.
Losing B.
Oh,
We're losing Alpha.
How's it feel?
Bomba. A man just spin a flick and cartwheel. Headshot me.
I can't even, I'm dying in the smoke and I don't even know what's going on.
Losing A.
Oh, shit, a 10 man that are gonna.
Watch this man camping, bro. On the ledge.
Losing Bravo. No medals for second place. Crush those dirtbags.
Ah, boy. No wonder you haven't
We're
seen
losing
my
Charlie.
comments. You on here? What do you mean?
Losing B.
Who just said that?
They won't forget
Only
this.
acceptable
Leak.
outcome.
Back and
Alex?
forth.
I was typing on your Twitch. Oh shit! I just see, bro. Bro, I'm sweating, bro. Yo, you joining, bro? Yo, there's this guy named Show TV. He's like, he has a beef 1v1 with me. I don't know why. I'm just like, I don't want to hurt his feeling, but.
Wait, is that happen?
No.
Nah, I wanna hear. Where is that happen?
Yo, this one is gonna come in now. The voice chat, yo, come, bro. It's my friend Troll. His name is Troll, but he's an NBA player. Hold on. Let me invite him. Let me invitado. LOL, man, run it if you talking too much. Nah, I'm not doing 1v1. I joke, bro. I take it back, bro. I take it back, bro. Cutting my system. Are you cutting it in half? Or that's just a saying? Oh, here we go. Yo, this is gonna get crazy, my boy. Why can't I see? I'm trying to send. Oh, no, I see the chats. Cause I'm trying to read 3 chats. I'm on YouTube too, so it's like I'm trying to read 3 chats at the same time. I'm trying to get used to it, my bro. See, I didn't expect you to be 3 a.m. Up and around, jumping around. Most people probably sleep, or you probably have, you talking to one of your girls or shit, type shit. You know what I'm saying? Invite you though. Oh god. Hey Joe, I can't hear you. Is it because I'm in the party chat?
That's
I hear you now.
that's cause my mic was muted.
I hear you now. What's up, bro?
Nah, I hate you. I just want you to know I hate you.
Meet COVID-19. Just don't get infected, COVID.
What's going on?
COVID, you here? I think she's dazed up.
I still hate you. I just want you to know.
Or bro, that's what you call true love. Yo, COVID, wake up. I don't want her to drop asleep. Don't drop asleep.
Man, I just got a new controller yesterday, bro. This controller's so pretty.
Wait, one of those gaming ones? Like with the
Nah,
extra
it's
shit?
a regular PS5 controller, but it's a fluorescent. It goes from purple to blue depending on the light.
Oh, you trying to flex now?
Yeah, that shit is fire.
This man is flexing.
That shit fire, bro.
Yo, you gotta send a picture, bro. You post that where?
Nah, I ain't posted, but let me see. I think I can send it on Discord.
Oh yeah, I forgot I have you on Discord. Yeah. Yo, COVID, you hear this? What's she going? See Discord.
I just sent it to you.
Man, be
Don't mind my joysticks. I gotta get new control freaks, but
alright, let's see what this is. Oh, this man even got the enhancer, whatever you call that shit. When your analog goes
they
up.
can.
What's the point of doing that? Does it make it feel better?
It took some getting used to, but it definitely makes it easier. I feel like.
Because I always see, like, even people who play fighting games, they always have that shit, bro.
Face off domination. You want to clear your name? This is where it happens.
Alright, here comes the chaos.
Currency.
I got an RPG just for this map.
Did he just knife me? What?
Controlling Bravo.
Okay, you know what?
Security.
Game spawned me right in front of 3 guys.
Take a B.
Hold that, man.
B locked down.
Hope I'm not here if you're talking.
C. We've taken control.
Alright. Oh, wow, they spawned me right in the wow.
Ants nest. This one in ants.
Losing Bravo.
Wow. Oh, okay. So this is like
24/7 but smaller. I mean 24. Yeah, it's like shipment but smaller.
Got it.
5 kills, there's your bar.
Oh, they just spot.
We're
Okay.
losing Charlie.
This man just executed that man with a bat.
Bro,
I've never seen that before in my life. Over there.
Take it C.
Oh.
Securing B.
I'm taking the objective.
This man in the bathroom camping.
Taking Bravo underway.
Snipers down.
Charlie secured.
Objective capture in progress.
Taking B.
Mm.
Taking A. They're taking C.
Fuck, man.
Zone A secure.
Yo, this shit give me PTSD, bro. Where did he go? What? Yo, help, he's the only thing on it.
I ran out of ammo.
You that man held me hostage, bro. He was like, yo.
Bro, I looked. I'm like, wait. Damn, my bad. I tried.
Oh, there's 6 guys right there, bro.
I give what I can.
Controlling Bravo.
I don't know what's going on, but I'm here for it.
Yeah, just shoot. It's like, at this point, just shoot and you should be able to kill that.
Look at this dude laying down on the ground like a, you know what?
We're losing Alpha.
Oh. Did I know you could rotate that way?
Oh, I see the knife guy.
Damn. Yep, but that's actually annoying.
Yeah, imagine just running around and knife me. Yo, that's BS for you, bro.
That's toxic as hell.
We're losing Alpha.
Yo, and there's a guy on our team with a bat. So I don't know if they have rivals or something.
Yeah, it's like, I don't know who's worse. Like, both are bad as hell. I gotta get used to the new controller because I don't have those stick grips now. So I'm so used to overcompensating for it. Let's Okay, so jumping just makes me miss all my shots. That makes a lot of sense.
Well, it's alright. Look me in my eyes, baby.
We're losing Alpha. Finish line's in sight. Don't let up.
Knock that shit
Damn,
out.
bro, what the
We lost speed.
I'm taking my headshot.
Look at you. You so scared you shot at me.
Yes. Bro, I'm shooting at everybody at this point, cuz what the hell?
Humbug fat deep.
See if we can, as we shoot one person, someone dead.
Hold those SOBs back.
Man, that map is so good. This map is so ass.
100 to 25? Holy shit. They're actually, yeah. Oh, let's see this bullshit. Watch this.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
Oh, Lord.
What the hell is going on?
Man, we got your ass pop. Look at you.
Bro, I was fighting for the door.
Look at you, bro. I don't even, bro, I've never played on this map.
Yo, this game is dope. Wait, COVID come second. What? Yeah, go on. Yo, this is funny, bro. Go to sleep, LMAO. Jazzy, I can't. You know, you see the excitement? This game is exciting.
Bro, I went to sleep hella early, so I should
that's
be
why you got so
asleep,
much
but
energy.
I ain't got no energy. I wish I did.
Oh. Jazzy, you need to play COD too, Jazzy. Why you not on COD? Like, what are you doing? Level 55. So how does the prestige work after this?
Oh God! Hey yo, get out my ear with that.
I'm glad I muted them. I just have the party
Yeah,
chat.
you big freak! Get out my ear with that.
I don't even want to hear.
You big freak! Quit growling in my ear. Unhand me. Get your hand off my shoulder. Yo, nice try,
Get
Diddy.
on, Jazzy. Hurry up. Wait, Jazzy, you getting on right now? Alright, let me come out of this Diddy thingy.
Mada.
Hey, yo.
Yeah, yo, that was crazy. Someone joining, that's why I left. No, that's a weird party right here.
Let me edit take this fast mag off. I need that.
Jazzy, admin.
We playing on this map. I need that extended mag 85 round. Cause what?
Oh, you're in the party. Okay, there you go. Can you hear me? Can you hear us, Jazzy?
Kristen got me in there looking stupid.
What did I do?
Nah, it's your fault. Bro, I ain't never
It's
played
always my
this
fault.
Bro, I started that game off getting smacked. Bro, I died like 4 times back to back, just spawning and dying. I said, okay. Let me wake up. Cause what the fuck you got me playing?
Yeah. You know, we like these type of shit. Jazzy, I can't hear if you're talking. Oh, I hear you now.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Meet COVID 20 and Troll 24. I mean TV.
Troll 24 is crazy.
No, yeah.
We got beef or something?
No, I'm joking.
No, it's cool. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna just sit in the corner all game.
No,
I'm gonna just sit in the corner. Yep, nope. I'm sitting in the corner. All you out here with a shotgun. I'm disappointed in you.
Alright, I'm gonna use that sniper this time. What's the worst that could happen?
You're bugging.
Yeah, bro. I'm trying so hard to get play of the game. Why is it so hard, man?
Because you're trying.
I didn't get it either, so don't feel bad.
COVID, wait, I must try. All right, no more trying. Let the game feel my energy.
Hey.
Wait.
What does that even mean?
I don't know. Jazzy, save me. COVID, save me. Someone save me.
No.
Can't help you.
Wow.
You on your own.
That's crazy. Alright, so I guess the OP weapons are what? Shotgun and knife. Okay, nice.
I swear.
Shotgun and knife?
See, now I gotta, who?
Look at this.
Face off kill
confirmed. Another day in paradise, Black Ops. Lead charge.
That's what I'm using right now.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
Bro, they're all using shotguns. Oh, my God. Oh, Jesus.
At this point, bro, my shotgun should be like...
Oh, my God, bro. Nah, I'm not.
We got the lead. Now hold it.
I'm not moving. Nope.
That's
not
crazy.
doing it. I'm not, bro, they all have camping.
Yo, there's a guy in the corner camping.
I'm not doing this. Yeah, I'm camping. Yeah, you're right. I'm not leaving the spawn. You crazy as hell. Look at this shit. Look at this.
RPG down the hall, bro.
Oh.
Look at this shit, bro. Look at this.
This man in the bathroom.
I'm lagging like.
Bruh.
Oh.
This is.
At this point,
He tried to shoot a shotgun at me
somebody.
from.
Lead charge.
He tried to shoot a shotgun at me from the other side of the building. What? That boy drunk as hell.
Everybody has a freaking shotgun.
Yeah, this man has an auto shotgun, bro. This man has an auto shotgun.
And they just letting that thing fly. I'm out of ammo already after this clip. Damn.
Yo, there's this guy, he's like, he's trying to go back in the corner, he can't go any further. Hold on.
I stopped sliding.
There's one outside.
Sliding
on the
into
window.
shotguns, bro.
Oh my
Yo, this man
God,
camping
this
in the
is
vents?
so
I've never
annoying.
seen that before,
It's
bro.
3
Wait,
a.m. What is going on?
Bro, no, there's no fucking way. There's no fucking way.
That's a wrap.
If I didn't die right there, I for sure would have.
Don't worry, COVID, I'm here to rescue. Oh, never mind.
Woo!
Yo! What the?
Don't scare me like that.
If my mom saw this, she would be disappointed.
Why? Wait.
Oh, shit, bro. I'm doing really bad right now.
Oh my God, bro!
Why am I playing like this?
Are you?
Nah, listen, Alex. Bro,
You know what?
bro, shout out my teammates, bro.
Bro, like I'm putting so many bullets into him, just for them to turn around and just, yo, hello. Thank you.
That man was.
I just spawned in and got took hostage. Bro, I just spawned in.
Outside. I was like, yo.
So bad right now.
I didn't even get a chance.
And I'm lagging too. Wait.
Merciful Jesus.
Oh my God.
Oh, grenade. Oh my God. This is.
Crimson's on their heels. Hit them hard.
There's no way this man is camping outside, bro.
I just killed them. The dude with the sniper.
Enemy.
Yo, this game is toxic, bro.
He's laying on the ground. How, like.
I can't do this shit.
This. I swear, bro. I just want to box people like this in real life.
Oh my god.
Cause what in the hell makes you play like that, bro?
Wait,
Man, you know what? Let me
wait, hold on, nigga. Let's do something real quick.
No way, Fatal Princess got it over me.
Man, that's how I'm feeling.
Hell.
Damn, she's killing a lot of people though.
Yeah.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah, I bet you didn't do that. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, she got like 7 kills or some shit.
Oh god.
Yeah. After, trust me, after tonight or this early morning, won't be playing this map no more. Promise.
Wait. This is hard, yeah?
Promise. This is toxic. They gonna make me pull out my damn single fire, and I'm sitting in a corner. This is crazy. Oh, I need to edit my settings again because I had to edit them. Bro, Kristen, I had stick drift in both my analogs on my old controller.
That's crazy. I hate stick drift, bro.
Now I got a new one and I gotta change everything back.
Wait, you left? Oh, something to leave by accident.
No, she said she was gonna do something and come back.
Oh, so play then. That's what she said?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know. She said shit. Give her a minute.
Oh. Is he in the chat?
Started.
Yeah, it starts. That was a fun game, wasn't it, guys?
He's
Nice.
looking for somebody to glaze him up.
What? Glaze is wild.
Satisfaction.
That was a fun game, right, guys? Your mom.
What?
You talk to your mom with that mouth, bro?
The what?
What's his name? I'm gonna make sure I shoot his body. Yeah.
Oh, you talking to someone?
Mr. Combs? Yeah, okay, Diddy.
I'm chat reporting that guy.
Yeah, it's reporting. That's all reporting. What's his name? I forgot.
Oh, he on the other team too? Mr. Combs? Yeah, don't worry. You finna.
You guys hear me?
I know people who pull IPs. You better leave me alone.
Trust me, I can.
Oh.
Face-off kill confirmed.
Where he at?
You've fallen
Here's a knife guy already. Oh my god, bro.
Damn it, we've lost the lead.
There's 2 knife guys. Okay, nice. I almost shot my teammate.
Back off!
Yep.
Okay. Oh, this knife and shit. I'm so over it.
I'll just kill Mr. Coombs. Wait, why is his name Mr. Coombs? That's actually
Combs?
crazy.
Diddy. Combs.
Yeah.
Why is he playing the game?
No way you're serious right now.
Yo, this knife guy is actually crazy.
Bro, this shotgun shit is so cheese, bro.
I'm not playing it.
Sniper down.
I don't blame you. I'm finna go to Nuketown.
Wait.
She left. She got kicked for inactivity.
Oh shit. COVID.
She left.
Oh, okay. Let's see. What? You hear? COVID?
What happened?
You got kicked for inactivity.
Oh, so you guys got kicked too?
Yeah.
No, he left.
Imbecile.
He left. He didn't want to play without you. He left.
There's no way you just call me an imbecile. And Choli's like, you know the transparent guy, like the honest guy? Yep. He actually left. He left.
He left.
He
Man,
left.
don't lie. Don't lie. Talking about we got kicked too. No, we didn't. You was getting your ass toe up, so you decided to leave. I don't see how you play this map, bro.
Let's play something else. Let's play something else.
How are you playing this map, bro? That's worse than Nuketown.
You know, it is worse than Nuketown for real.
Nuketown spawns are bad. I thought that was the worst. I stand corrected.
Yeah,
I now see why the memes are the way they are about that map. I've never played on any other map besides Nuketown.
Really?
So I have no idea about I don't play. I mainly play like zombies. I haven't played much multiplayer.
You know Shifu and them man there, Chris? Prime Valor man them?
Prime 69?
Prime Valor.
What I'm do?
That's crazy.
The Warzone guys,
Just
them
I
who
said all
always
that-
make videos.
Yeah, I bear them look a map you them play, you know?
Yeah, man, I can imagine. And probably I'll make a video.
But-
Can you imagine you end up on that Knife Guy YouTube channel?
Skyline. Ooh.
Oh, this map.
Somebody is getting sniped today.
You know what? Let me change the shotgun because I don't think it's gonna work here.
Yeah. Nah, not at all. Unless you stay in the room. Don't tell me you're gonna be in here camping. I know that ain't true.
Wait, 10v10? That's a lot of
It's
people.
10v10. That's what I said. I'm somebody getting sniped.
I need to try some of the game or the maps that I haven't
Isn't
played.
isn't it like what 5v5 or 6v6?
Domination.
This is 10v10 now.
CIA, you are cleared hot.
I think
Work
this is
your
the new
fragment.
thing they added, the 10v10.
Taking A. Zone A secure. We're winning. Keep it that way.
Somebody got their wig tucked back, bro.
Losing Bravo.
Oh my goodness.
Hostile shooter.
We lost B. We're losing Alpha. We've given up the lead.
Bombard.
Enemy UAV inbound.
I didn't even know you could be in the vents right here. What the hell?
Controlling Bravo.
Using step shot.
Let me stop trying to capture this shit. Get my head shot.
Bro, I'm not even
Everybody's
trying to capture.
still
I was
trying
going
to
for
rock
kills.
Style care
shotguns.
package inbound.
I'm just. Alright. That's a bit.
Is it me or the gameplay does feel way slower?
Losing A.
Well, yeah, because it's not on that little
Hostile
ass
counter
map no
UAV
more.
established above.
I get my brain used to this.
Locking down Charlie.
They're all on by B.
Oh yeah.
Taking B.
I'm not, bro. I'm finna go play 2K. This shotgun shit, bro. Like I just hate the way
Hostile
people
UAV
play this
established
game now, bro. Like,
Well.
oh, they just
Yo,
like
look
your
at
shotgun
this
is
guy
already gold,
camping.
bro. What more do you need to do with that shit, bro? Bitch ass boy.
Enemy care
Ooh.
package above.
Actually got him.
We're losing Alpha. Taking Bravo underway.
Single shooter.
Bravo is ours.
Difference between you and me, I learned from my mistakes.
Enemy CUAV inbound.
That's what I'm finna do. I'm finna just take out streets.
Oh my gosh. Every freaking reload. Somebody's gun in my hand.
Get a UAV on grid.
I'm here hard scoping this shit though. These guys.
Tackle.
Man.
Watchdog helo mission.
God damn.
Hostile appears KIA.
Finally. I was waiting for him so long. You see that Battlefield sniper guy? I don't know if you see that video where this old man that used to be a...
Get a counter UAV in the air.
Yo, that video is so funny, bro.
Recon above.
And man's like, all you gotta do is aim up here.
Losing B.
And bam.
Securing
This
C.
man is just getting killed.
All locations locked down. Dig in and hold them. They're
Yo,
taking all zones.
You know, Battlefield always looks fun though, I'm not gonna lie.
Bravo lost.
I never played it though.
Securing B. We lost C.
Like driving a
Enemy UAV
tanker
inbound.
and helicopter and all that shit. 50v50.
Commence chopper gunner operations above.
You say troll, let's get Battlefield, bro.
We're losing Alpha.
Huh? Hell no.
You
Hostile
wanna
care
dive
package
out
Too
inbound.
realistic, bro.
No, yo, Battlefield is actually funny though, because there's so much
Losing A.
people running up
It's
and
too
down.
realistic, bro. I can't.
Threat deleted.
I was about to say, who got a chopper?
You got a chopper in the car.
Losing Bravo.
Watch.
Oh yeah, oh Jazzy, you babysitting? Oh yeah.
Bringing
I
in
forgot.
recon.
We've claimed the advantage. Now hold it.
So Jazzy, why don't you let the baby play the game? Maybe she can, you know, kill some people
Losing B.
and stake out.
Enemy
His name
napalm
is
strike incoming.
Moist, bro. That is so disgusting. it is class at
It's
like what's wrong with people, bro?
And say that.
You know, tell him about backshot breeze.
All objectives locked
Oh
down.
my
Hold the
god.
enemy back.
But look on in clan tag.
Backshot breeze, bro.
This clan tag is
Losing Bravo.
wet moist.
Told you.
They're taking C.
I got him, I got the moist.
We're losing Alpha.
I got COVID on the ground.
Movement.
Establish watchdog helo on station
Got him
above.
again. Wet
Why do
moist
we have
down.
all three? Why do we have all three flags, Cap? That's
We've lost
what I
Alpha.
would like to know.
Securing Alpha.
I got wet
Like,
moist
that's how you
again.
mess up the spawns. What y'all doing? Why? What the hell? We gonna give up the good side to get spawn flipped. That's crazy.
I think wet moist hates me, bro. I sniped this man 4 times.
Enemy care package above.
Army
Hostile
props along.
UAV established overhead. We're losing Charlie.
Holy shit.
Losing Charlie, bro. See, why y'all flip the spawns? Cause now everything is just all backwards.
Securing Zone A. I'm on the objective. Charlie secured.
They're above in the middle, on the left side.
Losing B. Taking Alpha.
Oh, that's wet moist.
Why?
Yep, that's wet moist.
Shot.
Deploy counter UAV.
Nah, you
Hostile
let me
UAV
die.
in your
bro.
area.
Daddy's fat stack.
We lost B.
Bro, what can...
Take out my
Fat
eyes overhead.
stack,
How do they come
bro.
up with
Net
these
call.
names, bro?
Enemy watchdog helo
Like,
inbound.
Sniper working.
Sniper
Great
working.
question. I do not know the answer to.
Heather requesting LDVR.
Sitrep. Enemy AGR is online.
Enemy.
Troops in contact.
Enemy what? Oh,
I don't even know what the hell is that ADR. What is that enemy ADR?
It's that ground. It's that
Hostile assault
I got wet
rifle
moist,
loose.
don't worry. Once
Shit.
wet moist dies, we win.
What was wet moist doing in the closet, bro?
Yeah, only one thing I can think
He
of.
not ready to come out yet.
Hostile ATR in
Someone's
your
gotta start the
AO.
party.
Taking Bravo underway.
I got
Damn, somebody got
Securing
popped
zone
by
A.
that grenade. RIP. Ooh, damn. He got me.
Flash trap going down.
Combat. For real, bro.
Oh, he's spawning. They're spawning at B. That's crazy.
Bro, they're spawning at C too. Like, they flipped the spawns. Or, no, yeah, no.
Oh, yeah, they're one at C.
They're
Just
taking
jumped
C.
up.
I missed. Goddamn.
Sabase Nabule?
I'll give you the benefit of the doubt.
Huh?
Nah,
Threat clear.
I'm trying to communicate with
Taking
this
Holy
guy
shit.
in the game.
I gotta start playing more. I gotta start playing this more. Cause I'm not anywhere near where
Hostile
I should be
care
right
package
about
inbound.
now.
Bravo zone secure. We're losing Charlie.
Hey, wet moist. That's what I'm talking about, boy. Don't run up. Don't run up, boy.
Losing Bravo.
Are you gonna be dry and
Watchdog
moist?
Kilo incoming on your location.
How can you? Never mind.
No,
Enemy
you
care package
pick
above.
up both.
Never mind. I'm not even.
Yeah, what's up? What the hell?
Just you got it, Brody.
Losing B.
I don't even know where. Oh, Kobe, let me know if people over there.
Taking A.
Where I get shot from?
Requesting CUAV above.
Combat.
Get a UAV on grid.
Man, him kill me too.
Honestly, I'm stressed the fuck out right now, bro.
Use a
Hostile
scout
sentry
pulse.
turret active.
Oh.
Stress. Stress.
Confirm.
They're
Capitality.
taking C.
TACOM, authorized LDDR strike.
Got their marksman. Let's push.
Losing Bravo.
Requesting recon above.
Losing Bravo.
Losing B.
Spring mine disrupted.
Feel that? They're about to break.
Gotcha.
Give them a nudge.
Scout pulse available.
Wait, didn't you just said give them a munch? The hell?
5.
Yo, Wet Moist had a RPG, bro. He tried to kill me with it. Yo, that man is getting crazy.
He had to snipe me at everybody standing right there. Alright. I got some.
Area pacified.
Damn, I was
Move to
damn.
DLZ. Helo's on the way.
Chuck one up for the home team.
Bro, that guy's crazy, bro.
Well, time for me to hit the old dusty trail.
Huh? Marker is down.
Oh, nice. Play of the game.
Bye-bye.
Damn.
That's it?
Yeah, Chris.
That's
I have
so
one
sweet.
more in me that never did, okay?
What?
I have one more game.
That was my last
then
one.
I'm
I'm
dead.
going to play 2K. I can't play this no more. It's too toxic.
Alright, COVID. Sounds like you want to 1v1.
Hey, come on. By all means, come on. Yeah.
COVID, you want to
that's
play
what I
1v1s?
thought.
Let's say 1v1s. No, let's do that last game. Let's all play 1v1s.
Who?
Customs.
I'm out of here.
No. Where you going? Are you running?
I'm going. What you, running from who?
Are you running?
Running from who?
You don't know 1v1, bro? Are you actually running, bro?
I 1v1 you?
Alright, let's go. Let's go, Kobe. I'm gonna go on MW3. Remember
This guy.
This shit is weird. PC's weird. We have to switch the thing. So hold on.
This guy.
MW3. Modern Warfare 3. Launch campaign. On my way down singing. Whoa, yo, yo, yo. It's loading up, guys. Don't worry.
I'm dead.
Oh, it actually makes me join by the party?
Huh?
Oh, hold on. Alright, let's go private. Private match.
Wait, I'm in your lobby still?
Huh?
I'm in your lobby still.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering, but wait, she's not even in the lobby. I'm wondering. Wait, COVID, are you here?
I think she left.
Oh, she said she's joining. Oh, I forgot. No, because
Oh.
she's on PS4, so it's probably different. Probably PS5, that shit stays. I don't know. On my way down singing. Whoa, yo, yo, yo. Alright, there we go.
Am I here to
So are you
spectate?
wanting to use the? Are you using the marksman rifle or are you using the actual sniper?
Oh, you just want to do sniper? Or you want to do any gun?
Any gun, so you can pull out a shotgun on me?
No, I'm not gonna use a shotgun. Promise.
I don't even believe you.
Sure. You can use any gun you want.
Nah, all I do is snipe.
Alright. Sniper.
Why am I on Team 2?
You know it's crazy. I did have a Car 98 class.
Are you guys want to do 2v1? Both y'all against me.
Here, yeah. Just put me in a spectating, yeah?
Yeah, come on, Kristen, snipe me. You the one call me out. You call me out.
Alright, sniper.
Exactly.
How
Put
much
me in
kills?
spectating.
How much kills? 25? 20?
Bigger than 20.
20? Alright.
I'm finna get my ass whooped. It's only cause you on PC.
No.
You almost lost last time.
Christian,
Yeah,
make sure I'm in spectating.
No, I'm setting up the ring. That's
You're
why.
so... Oh my gosh.
Just don't
Max
spawn
health?
in.
Max health is what? 80, 75? No, I'm gonna put her in the thing.
I'll put it on 1, just so you don't get no hit markers.
Oh, yeah, 1. You're right.
You're gonna put me where?
In heaven. I'm just kidding. Wait, that sounds weird.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's...
Bro. I swear.
I don't know if that was a murder threat. I don't.
Exactly.
I was trying to make it nice, but it turned into something else. Don't worry, TikTok. I'm just role playing. We're just playing role play. Oh God.
Oh man.
Oh man.
Too tired for this. So the sniper or marksman? Oh, you got the car. Okay.
Nah, can I use a? You want me to use a sniper? I got a sniper too.
No, I got the car. I'm gonna see if I can rock out with the car.
All right. 10-4.
Free for all. Weapons free. Engage all threats on target.
That's crazy.
I tried to slide it, it didn't let me. Look at you on a heady. I forgot you can't ADS and slide in this game. Black Ops 6 has spoiled me.
I'm gonna try you.
Yeah, see, I'm not good with the marksman. I gotta use my sniper.
I'm gonna use sniper after my death. I'm using your gun right now.
Like, it seems so weird. Yeah, I can't do that one. How did that not hit?
I'm gonna use marksman.
Thank you.
I mean, sniper. Yo, sniper just feels heavy. What the hell? This weighs like 1,000 pounds.
Is that the longbow?
Yeah.
You got the longbow on there, that's why. That boy got a semi. That's disgusting.
Oh, wait, this is a semi? You know, I never even like a semi. I didn't even know.
Really?
Yeah, I got a better one. Hold on. I call this one. Oh, I have to die first. Alright, there we go.
Don't worry about it. You was gonna do that anyway.
I call this one the devil.
Oh, hell no! Yeah, no, you trolling.
No, it's a sniper, bro. Yo, why can't
What?
He's like, what the hell?
This man is trolling, bro. I don't know what.
Nah, hear me out.
This man is trolling, yo.
Bomba! I wanna bring almost kill myself. Yo, this gun is hard to use. It's like the heaviest gun in the game.
Nah, you're actually trolling.
You like it? Hey, Shay, you see this big gun? Let me see out here, man.
Yeah, this man is trolling.
Yo.
This man is trolling.
Yeah, you need to pick up this gun, bro. It's fun.
I ain't picking up none of that.
I didn't even know this was possible, bro. It's a conversion. Conversion of the cat.
Yeah. Oh my God! No warm up, no nothing. I am whoa. Relax.
Yo,
Let's
check
relax.
out that gun, bro. Check it out.
No, I'm not picking that atrocity up.
Why is it shooting that explosive though?
Cause it's a rocket round. What you mean?
Oh, for real? I'm gonna try.
You don't even know what you got on the damn sniper?
I'll try my regular. Let's see.
I'm using the XRK Stalker.
XRK Stalker. Oh, I see it. Alright, let's go. See if we can get kills with this, boys. Oh, wow. You little. Alright. Oh, hell nah. Wait.
Watch it. Watch it. What did I tell you last time?
This man is no scope in the shit. Oh.
I was a little too low on that one. No way you just hard-scoped me. No way you just hard-scoped me. I'm the king of no-scopes, my boy. Oh my God, he's so fucking fast.
The fuck?
What? Watch out, man. Watch out. Yeah, I figured you out. All right.
I gotta try your one.
No. Put my sniper down. You gonna stay over there like a puss. Like a puss. You know, he tired of getting no scope. That's what it is.
Oh, I love your scope, bro. It's way better.
Hey, leave it alone.
Oh,
Put it down. Let me pick that back up. You can't have that.
That's crazy. Jesus. This feels like 20 years going into this scope.
Come here.
Shit, bro. I'm going. You know what? I'm using a different sniper rifle.
Take your time. Take your time. Don't be in a rush to get your ass whooped. It's only 3 minutes left in the game, by the way.
Oh shit, that's gone. I don't even know what gun is this, bro.
That is also a semi, damn near, but it's okay.
Really?
I think so, yeah. Okay, how am I missing that?
Yeah,
Don't pick up my sniper.
Oh, thanks for reminding me. Oh. What the fuck? Got the next gun for you, bro.
Oh shit.
Don't worry. This one should be like really good, right?
I don't know what the hell you talking about. No way that no scope missed.
Oh, this is definitely a sniper. Oh shit. I don't even know what his name, but it's cool, bro.
Put it down. No scope, thank you. Maybe I should just hide so you can't win.
What the f—
I was reloading.
I was like,
It's slow ass reloading, man.
alright, you know what? Let's go.
I'm dead. This man picked up a bow. This man is trolling. Ah!
I can't afford to let you in.
Huh? What do you mean? What you mean, fam?
What the fuck? No. This man is recorded already.
What do you mean?
Yo, fuck this, bro. Yo, this doesn't. Yo, this is bullshit.
What? What you mean? Ah! Oh, I missed!
10 seconds remaining.
Oh, I don't have enough time.
Yeah. Hey! Hey! Oh no! Yep, I'm not spawning in. Ah. I win. Yeah. Hey, you cheated.
This man picked up a bow, bro.
A bow!
Let's say one more, three of us. One more. 15 kills. 15 kills. One more.
Oh god.
All three of us. Come, COVID. You're joining the party. I'm gonna put the.
I forgot she was here. She was so quiet. I didn't even hear her.
I think because she's spectating.
Don't do sniper. I don't
No,
do
it's not. No,
sniper.
it's not sniper. Use any gun. Any gun.
Okay.
I'm gonna put by the health to 150 because that would be crazy. Yeah. All right.
Yes, that would be.
30 points. Alright, I'm gonna put plates for you guys.
I don't
I'm gonna
know
put on one
what
plate.
this is.
I'm gonna let you guys have one plate.
One plate. Wait, what are we doing?
Just
Because
regular.
I run around with a knife. Oh.
Yeah, that's a regular game. I'm putting one plate. Because you guys might need it.
Wait, I gotta make a damn.
I'm trying to make it fair, so that's why. Let's see.
Okay.
I'm trying to make it fair for you guys.
I appreciate that.
Spawn armor. Or is it spawn armor plates? One plate. So just remember to put on your plates. Yeah, see, I didn't warn you.
Wait.
Nah,
An armor plate is crazy though.
Who does? No, take off the plates. The hell?
An armor plate is
no, you
crazy.
guys
No
gotta,
plates.
you got no plates? You sure?
No plates.
No plates, bro. If you
Just
win, you
regular
win. What the hell?
1v1. Exactly.
Alright. You hear that, guys?
He's scared, that's why.
Alright. Guys, remember, she said no plates. Alright.
You just lost. Hush. Loser. I can't imagine what that's like. I don't know how to lose. It's crazy. I hope this is the right superior class, because I don't know.
Yeah, that's crazy.
It's cold in here, bro. My hands are freezing. What the? Why am I in the same? What the hell? And of course. Is the health in? Oh my god.
Yeah. Say, I need to get you with this.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm out here shooting fucking marshmallows. Yo.
What are you using?
Nothing.
You're irritating me, bro.
Yo, I'm shooting marshmallows in this. Alright, what the f? I'm gonna go back to sniping.
Yo, you and that fucking gun.
Oh my god.
Chill, COVID. Ah, smart.
Stop.
You said stop?
Dude. Oh, she using the static.
Damn, I don't even know where I got sent from. Yo, why you guys
Fuck you.
hiding from the middle?
Because, bro. What you mean?
Come on, guys, it's fun here. Oh, COVID. Guys, it's fun in the middle, bro.
Nah. Look at that. This is why no one loves you.
Yo, COVID.
You're irritating me.
Oh my god.
Yo, I can never get you, COVID. Why are you on the ground? Oh, damn.
Yo, this man is such a damn. You know what?
He's a troll. That's what he is.
COVID. I haven't killed you yet.
Irritating, bro.
God.
I did not mean to pick this gun up, bro. Where's my sniper? This nasty ass Stormender bullshit. I'm not even worried about COVID. I'm just trying to kill you. Cause you pissing me off. Give me this shit. Yeah, bitch. Yeah.
Oh, he has it
How
too.
you like it? How you like it, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, what
I'm
the
dead
hell?
sliding.
Yo, alright, you know what? I'm gonna use sniper.
Oh, now you want to
Oh,
use the damn sniper. Can you leave me alone? You're scaring me. Mister, I'm gonna use the sniper, still using the storm ender. He's a puss.
Come in. Oh god.
You're that stupid shit.
Come on, I got it from Walmart. Oh no!
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Yeah, leave me alone. Yeah.
No way, bro.
COVID, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Stop.
Who threw a fucking smoke? Nah, who threw a smoke?
Me? You're chasing me. What do you mean?
I was chasing it for you. Yo. Hold on. Guys, pause. No fighting.
That's crazy. You know what? This changes my opinion on you, Kristen. I'm trying to kill him, and she's steady out here just murking me.
Don't worry, guys. It's okay.
Nah, that smoke again? That's crazy, bro.
No, that's what's crazy. Why is that a thing in the game?
I know, right? The storm ender, it doesn't make sense.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. COVID is out to get me, bro. I don't want to be sick. Leave me alone.
Kristen is fucking irritating me, bro. I swear to God. With that stupid ass gun. Yo, I'm gonna push your hairline back, okay?
It's already
Stop
pushed back
fucking
enough.
around.
Don't do that to him.
I'm gonna push his hairline back.
Yo, what the fuck?
COVID, what's up, man?
Yeah.
What I do to you?
Oh, shit. You're about to win? No.
Good. Get me out of this. This man out here using a charged up fucking
alien gun to your ass clapped.
Yo, this is funny. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm going to play 2K. You done pissed me off.
I swear, bro, I crashed out.
Hell, go ahead. I'm gonna
Alright, now you got her. Now you got her going crazy. I'm just trying to.
for troll. Troll is just there trying to get kids, and she's like taking the rage on everybody.
Yo, good night.
Oh,
Blood clap.
See you
I hope you guys
later.
sleep well. Don't dream about
Nah,
any
I'm not going to
storm
sleep.
Move
Fuck
your
you.
ass
Fuck
clap.
you.
So have a
Okay?
great night. Move your
Fuck
blood
you. I
clap.
hope you wake up bald and when only your left eyebrow.
What?
Yeah. Hope you wake up bald with only your left eyebrow. Yep.
Yo.
Yep.
COVID. You don't mean that, right? Oh, she gone.
She's gone. She meant whatever she said.
Yo, Joe, I'm gonna get NBA, bro. I'm
Nope.
you, bro.
No, you're not. You lost already.
No, I played NBA once, bro, and that shit was weird. Like I couldn't even get a hoop.
Man said a hoop. I know you don't play that shit for real now.
Definitely.
That man said he couldn't get a hoop.
Hey, but I'm good on the threes,
Alright.
though. I'm good on the threes, though.
Right.
Yeah, I just gotta let the green bar hit, right? The little green line thingy, white line.
That's. Yeah, I know you suck at that. It's okay.
Don't bring that.
But yeah, man, I'm gonna get off of here. I don't even.
Hey, you should see what Shay said in the chat. He said, "Don't bring that gun over to NBA."
Man, leave that gun where it's at, you bastard.
I'm about to go in 24/7 and spam it right now. Make those kids cry.
Yeah, see, no, hell
someone
no. I'm
literally
finna
cried.
go
Like
get
I
on
literally
2K.
let someone cry. Like he was like calling me a bitch and he was like crashing out.
Cause you are. Look at you.
Yo.
What do you mean?
He was like, "You was a bitch." That guy with the shot, "You was a bitch." I was like, "Damn, it's not that serious."
It is that serious.
I wrote it.
All right, my boy.
Yeah. Go ahead, come on. Yo, damn. I'm gonna play one more, bro. I gotta use this gun. I gotta get a reaction from these kids, bro. Last match. This is my last game, bro.
Team deathmatch. Still, you are clear to engage any of the threats.
Benny's in an incineration auto shotgun. Nice. I thought he went up.
Kill confirmed. Kill them and secure their tanks. Request the lead. We're tied with the enemy.
Loading fresh mag.
Enemy's taking the lead.
Team deathmatch. All operatives, you're clear to engage. Take the lead. We've secured the lead. Friendly UAV online. On your six. The lead. We've taken the lead. Enemy UAV active.
Oh, that was so. Maybe this is not the gun for this map.
We've taken the lead.
Mm. he has a red sheep.
Hostiles launched a cruise missile.
On your six.
Enemy UAV active. Hostile UAV is active. Friendly UAV online. Taking the lead. Friendly UAV on station.
Loading a fresh mag.
Friendly cruiser mine planted. Friendly UAV online. Friendly cruise missile deployed. We've secured the mission accomplished.
Good game.
Good game. Shit, bro. Alright. Tomorrow I'll probably play some League of Legends. I think it's time to go.